Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wonderpedia. Get ready for a cosmic adventure as we explore the star at the center of our solar system, the Sun. Join me today as we lift the veil of mystery and discover surprising truths about this fiery orb. From its intense nuclear reactions to ancient worship, we'll unravel the secrets of our nearest star. So prepare to let your curiosity shine as I guide us on a journey of solar surprises, right here on Wonderpedia. The Sun's fiery core, a nuclear inferno. Dive with me into the Sun's explosive core, my friends. At unfathomably hot temperatures, hydrogen atoms find themselves in a nuclear mosh pit, slamming together due to intense pressure. It's here, through the chaos of fusion reactions, that our star generates immense solar sparks. 4 hydrogens fuse to form 1 helium in a flash of energy, like teens at a rock concert. This mind-blowingly hot hula hoop party has been raging for billions of years. No wonder astronomers call the core a scorching soup. I wouldn't want to join that nuclear nacho night either. Solar flares and sunspots, the Sun's dynamic dance. Witness the Sun's lively light show, my curious friends. As we peek at its luminous layers, surprises sprout. Huge dark dancers emerge, waltzing across glowing plains. We call these spots sunspots, places where magnetic maracas become tangled. Nearby, fiery fantastias blaze, solar flares exploding brighter than Fiery Fritz fireworks show. What energy! The Sun's magnetic melodies shape more than just pretty patterns too. Sometimes the biggest ballroom blasts back combustible comets our way, conductors of space weather sure to cause a cosmic commotion. So next solstice, look out for lively luminaries and their lively luminary leader, the all-dancing Sun. Sun's magnetic field, the cosmic shield. Gather round, friends, as I spill the beans on the Sun's super-secret powers. It seems this big old brighty doesn't just warm things up, it also whips up a wiggly wilderness of magnetism too. Like invisible imaginary lines of force that reach far beyond we can see. These magnetic miracles mold way more than just swirling solar surges too. Sometimes they even shape our skies. When the Sun's invisible inertia interrupts incoming isthmus isotopes, it ignites the northern lights. Pretty neat, eh? The Sun's subliminal subtle superpower even filters the flow of plasma from the primeval pool, protecting our planet party in the process. Who knew such a seemingly simple star could have so many sneaky supernatural surprises? Solar wind, a stellar breeze through space. Gather round, folks, it's time for a wild solar wind ride. Strap in tight as we hitch a lift on the Sun's particle party, a constant comet cavalcade casting charged cadets across the cosmos. This stellar satellite stream sure gets around, first buffeting planets, and then, if conditions are right, breezing on by our big blue ball too. Sometimes the solar surf sends shocks rippling through Earth's atmosphere like ocean waves. Neat, hey? The galactic gust even guides pioneering probes like Global GPS, saving sat phones from satellite sadness. Talk about omnidirectional dirt dispersion. You gotta hand it to the Sun, always keeping things moving across the entire all-star solar system neighborhood. The Sun's role in climate change, fact or fiction? Gather round, truth seekers, it's time to sift fact from fiction in the solar climate chaos case. Whether the Sun plays poster child or posted bail in planetary temperature tag remains hotly debated. While astronomers agree our star stirred the stew that simmered Earth's early environment, is it still stirring the stock pot as ice caps keep on melting? Some data suggests solar cycles sync with climate change crescendos, but the plot thickens. Greenhouse gas levels now take center stage instead. There's no open and shut solution in sight, so opinions stay divided like a courtroom. Me, I'm keen to keep learning as the trial trudges on. Solar mysteries, unexplained solar phenomena. Come one, come all to the circus of solar curiosities. Gather round while I astound with the Sun's strangest sideshows. First up, the corona, an enigmatic outer layer that somehow escapes Earth's coolest cameras. These cloudy curtains refuse reflection, only revealed during eclipses in dramatic disguise. Elsewhere, sunspots spawn snakes of plasma, hissing radio waves as mysteries. And let's not forget solar sproingles, those spicy magnetic springs too sizzlingly sprightly for science to spring. From whiplashing whirls to disappearing dark artifacts, Even astronomers can't explain every trick the sun kicks. So keep those befuddled brains primed, folks, cause this star's sure to serve strange surprises yet. The mystery only makes the marvels more magic. Sun worship across cultures, beyond science. Okay, gather round, fellow travelers. I've got a quick tale about our sun and the cultures that worshipped it. Many societies saw its light as divine, from ancient Aztecs dancing daily to Egyptian pharaohs erecting epic temples. Even Neolithic folk at Stonehenge charted celestial cycles. Each found gods in the glow, adoring forms that spun. Makes sense, right? We rely on its warmth. Is it human to hope heaven lends light? From maze magics to mysteries, I love peeking past pages to people powered by the flickers of stars. Our sun still sparks our imaginations today. Solar energy revolution, powering the future. All right, explorers, time to beam down to today and check out how we punks are putting the sun to good use powering our future. All over Earth, folks are setting up solar panels to panel load plasma straight from our star. Households, businesses, and even whole cities are lighting up with clean vibes. And with tech getting trickier by the terawatt, solar may one day outshine oil and gas for good. Pretty neat that the same fusion furnace fueling life since the Big Bang is now helping transition us to green dream machines like Teslas and solar planes. At this rate, renewable rays could light the way to solving our climate crisis conundrum too. Always keeping it bright. That's our sun. May its warm rays never stop guiding our green goals. Solar eclipses, celestial spectacles. Friends, gather round for a total tale of lunar mischief. You see, our glowing globe loves a good gossip with its gal pal moon each autumn and spring. But on rare occasion, Ms. Moon gets a bit too close for comfort and plays sleek shadow tricks. With Earth in just the right spot, she sneaks between us and the sun like a celestial spy. Suddenly, in wondrous wink, our star vanishes behind her back. Scientists scowl and call it an eclipse. But I say old Moon simply aims to amaze with her brilliant blocking magic. Even pharaohs and emperors gawked gobsmacked at these shows of old. And who can blame them? Nothing beats the thrill of darkness at midday. So next chance the cosmos aligns, I hope you happiness her lunar loveliness too. The sun's future. What lies ahead? Well, friends, all stellar stories must end. But as we close the book on our time with the sun, let's sneak a peek at the final pages. Turns out, between raging fusion and depletion of onboard fuel, researchers reckon our bright buddy has a runtime of around 5 billion more years. Then what? In a fiery funeral fashion, it'll swell huge as a red supergiant before shrinking small as a white dwarf. Either way, sparks will stop for Earth long before. Still, as long as there's still stellar spark left in our sun, it'll continue lighting the cosmic way. Guess even stars gotta go sometime. But wow, what a bright billion years it's shown us so far. Thank you for shining your wonder light with me on this solar expedition. I hope you found all the sun's secrets as enlightening as I did. Be sure to give this video a like if you now look at sunrise with new eyes. Don't forget to share what you've learned with a friend and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on my next cosmic quest. As always, keep looking up and let your curiosity burn bright. Huge thanks and see you in the comments section.